In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels on WhatsApp Web. Whether you're tidying up your conversations or just want to clear out some unnecessary labels, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the WhatsApp web interface on your computer. Just open your preferred web browser and head to the WhatsApp web page. Once the page is loaded, you'll see your list of chats displayed on the left side of the screen. Here's where you can find and manage your labels effectively. Now, take a look at the top of this chat list. You'll notice a plus sign, often used for creating new chats or labels. But what we're looking for is the small, subtle drop-down arrow right next to this plus sign. This arrow is your gateway to begin managing your existing labels. Go ahead and click on this drop-down arrow. By doing so, you'll reveal a list of options related to your labels. Scroll through this list until you find the label you wish to delete. Think carefully before deleting, because labels can be useful for organizing chats and grouping related conversations. Once you've found the specific label you want to remove, direct your attention to the right side of this label. You'll see a small trash icon right beside each label name. This icon is what you'll click on to initiate the deletion process. As soon as you click the trash icon, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Click on the delete option in this prompt. Doing this will permanently remove the label from your list, freeing up your interface and making your chat space more organized. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so be sure you want to delete the label before you proceed. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily clean up your WhatsApp web workspace, removing any labels that you no longer need or want. It's a simple task, but maintaining a tidy digital environment can go a long way towards enhancing productivity and minimizing distractions. I hope this guide has helped you manage your labels more efficiently. Feel free to revisit the steps if you need a refresher, as practice will make the process second nature. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials on managing your digital tools effectively.